All right, guys, we're gonna take a few moments here just to look at some of that the change in shape that we discussed last night in training. Moving from what would be more a 3-4-3 into more of a 3-1-4-2 or a two striker system versus the single striker system we've used in the past. So this is what we look like from a base shape. As you can see, we still have that back three. And instead of having two holders, we've just got the one. We're able to push one player higher and have two tens. So one holder, two tens, two strikers, two nines. And then the wing backs are still present. So we just really want to get on the same page when it comes from a defensive shape. So from there, we can still play our 5-4-1. So what you want, again, that left-sided striker will drop in. The other striker becomes more central. And again, the same concept. We're trying to force the game into these wide pockets. And then the question came up last night, how do we deal with the opposition six? So our 9 is going to back tackle and double down onto the 6 with the help of, in this case, the 8 or the 10. So again, here's our shape. Boom, we're back. So defensively, we haven't really changed our identity or what we're trying to do. It's just more of, in the attack, now we have a few more players higher and we make use of the strikers we have in our team. From an attacking shape or just some ideas or some attacking movements, we talked about this a little bit last night, but again, let's say, for example, the ball gets circulated out to our right center back. The right center back carries forward. So what we want is that ball side striker checking in to feed or becoming a focal point of that diamond. The attacking mid pulls out a little bit to create that diamond shape to give that the ability to play around them defensively inside. And then our wing back is there as well. So as I mentioned, the backside striker now shifts across and is able to attack that space in behind the ball near striker. So again, a center back or an outside back is going to follow that striker down to the ball. That backside striker can attack the space. And we look at our wing back. The wing back has the option of dropping down depending on how tightly they're marked, or they can try to get out in that space in behind. And again, we have this space here for them to attack. And it's all based around how the opposition handles the wing back and the 9 in their movement. So again, we've come out to our right center back. Player dribbles forward. We create that support shape. So we've got someone to play forward into, someone on each side of the ball to get around the defenders. And that backside striker can attack that space. The 2 has the ability, or the wing back has the ability to come short. When we talked about in the patterns yesterday, come short and pull a defender out to get in behind. And now they're running forward into that space to attack. So hopefully you guys got a pretty, just really basic ideas. Obviously, if we're looking at the attacking shape, there's a lot of solutions. If all these spaces that I just highlighted are gone, then that all it tells us that our cue is that we need to move the ball to a new space. If all these spaces have been destroyed and shifted over and our numbers are low, we just swing the ball out and we go the other way and try a similar idea on the other side of the field.